Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error code that is 0x800073cf4. So if you are receiving this error code whenever you try to install any game on Xbox app on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to log in with same account on Microsoft Store and with same account on Xbox app. So open Microsoft Store. On the top right here you can see a profile icon, click on it, then click on sign out. Again click on sign in. Now select the right account and then click on continue. Now it will be asking for PIN or password over here. So enter the PIN or password. Now once logged in, open Xbox app. On the top right here also you will find your profile icon. Click on it, then click on sign out. Again click on the profile icon and then click on sign in. Now over here, select the same account which you have selected on Microsoft Store. Then click on Let's Play and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to make sure date, time zone and region is correct on your computer. So on the bottom right here, you can see the date and time. Make a right click on date and time, then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time automatically is on. In Windows 10, you will find the option which says set time zone automatically. Make sure that is also on. In Windows 11, select the right time zone from here and then click on sync now. Make sure that you click on sync now. And once the sync is done, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Also make sure right region is selected on your computer. So go to time and language, then click on language and region and make sure the right country is selected over here and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to try installing the game from Microsoft Store library. So open Microsoft Store on your computer, go to library and in the list find the game. So find that particular game which is giving you the error message. So in front of the game, you will see the install option. So click on install. So try to install the game from Microsoft Store library. Now the next step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So copy this command. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. And during this process, if you receive some errors in red color, just ignore the errors in red color and let the process complete. Now once done, close this window. Now open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to repair and reset Xbox app in Microsoft Store. So type in Store in Windows search box, make a right click on Microsoft Store and then click on App Settings. Now this will open Windows 11 or Windows 10 settings. And then scroll down. Here you can see the repair option. So click on repair. And after the repair, check if you are able to install the game or not. Still you're facing the problem, then perform reset. So click on reset. Now after this reset, you can go ahead and open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now do the same thing with Xbox apps. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app. Then again click on app settings. This will again open Windows settings. And then again scroll down, click on repair. If that does not work, perform reset. And after the reset, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to click on Get Updates on Microsoft Store. So open Microsoft Store on your computer. Now on the bottom left here, you can see the library option. So click on library. Now once you click on library, on the right hand side on the top here, you can see Get Updates option. So click on Get Updates. And once all the updates are installed, restart your computer and then try to install the game. Now this has worked for many players, so it might work for you. Now the next step is to install Xbox Identity Provider and Gaming Services. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. And here you will find Xbox Identity Provider. And you will see the option to click on Get or Install. So click on Get. It will prompt you to open Microsoft Store. So click on Open Microsoft Store. Now, if Xbox Identity Provider is not installed, you will see the Get option or Update option over here. In my case, it's already installed, so there is no button. In your case, you will find the install button or get up button. In my case, there is update button. So click on update. And once the update is done, open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Now, the next step is to uninstall gaming services. So for this, copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening PowerShell as an administrator. Now click on yes to allow. Now paste the command over here, hit the enter key. Now once done, run the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will open Microsoft Store, and then you will see the install option to install gaming services. So click on install, again click on yes to allow, and let the download complete. Now once the gaming services is installed, now try to open Xbox app and then install the game. Now the next step is to update Windows. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to Windows update, then click on check for update. And once the update is installed, restart your computer and then open Xbox app and install the game. Next step is to run WSRESET command. So type in WSRESET in Windows search box, click on WSRESET. Now this will open this black screen. Do not close this black screen. This black screen will go away and it will open Microsoft Store. Now over here, you can see the black screen is gone and it's opening Microsoft Store. Now you can open Xbox app and then try to install the game. Next step is to uninstall and reinstall Xbox app. So type in Xbox app in Windows search box and then make a right click on Xbox app, then click on uninstall, uninstall. Now after the uninstall, open Microsoft Store and in the search box, type in Xbox app. And then click on Xbox app and install Xbox app from Microsoft Store and then open Xbox app, login, and then try to install the game. Now the next step is to rename WpSystem and Windows Apps folder. Now to rename WpSystem folder, open File Explorer on your computer, go to this PC, open D drive. Now over here you can see WpSystem. When you try to rename it, you won't be able to rename it because you will receive some kind of error message that you are not allowed. Now, so make a right click on WpSystem folder and then select properties, go to the security tab. We will go ahead and take the ownership of this folder. So go to security tab and then click on advanced. Now click on change over here and then type in everyone over here, everyone, and then click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects, and then click on apply, OK, 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 and then again make a right click on WpSystem folder, select properties once again, go to the security tab once again, click on advanced once again. Now this time click on add over here and then click on select a principal. Now type in everyone once again and then check names, OK. Now put a check on the box which says full control and then click on OK, apply, OK, OK. So now you can rename it, make a right click, then click on rename it as WpSystem.old. Now still you face problem. In that case, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to rename it once again. Open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open D drive, then make a right click on Windows Apps and then rename it. Now before rename, you have to take the ownership, make a right click, then click on properties, go to security tab, advanced. Now click on change over here, type in everyone in the box. Now click on check names, then click on OK. Now put a check on the box which says replace owner on subcontainers and objects and then click on apply, OK, OK, again OK. Again make a right click on Windows Apps, select properties, security tab, advanced, and this time click on add, select a principal, everyone, check names, OK, put a check on the box which says full control, OK, apply, OK, OK. Now make a right click on Windows Apps and then click on rename and then rename it as WindowsApps.old. Now while renaming it, if you receive any kind of
error message which says file is open. In that case, open Task Manager on your computer. Make a right click on the start menu, click on Task Manager. Now if you find Gaming Services, make a right click and then click on End Task, and also open Services over here, and then go to Services and find Gaming Services. Make a right click on Gaming Services, click on Stop. So in my case it's not running, so let me go ahead and so make a right click, then click on Stop. Again make a right click and then click on Stop. Make sure Gaming Services is not running, and then you can go ahead and try to rename it as WindowsApps.old. Once the rename is done, make a right click and then start the service.
Now the last step is to update Windows to the latest version using media creation tool. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. So go to Microsoft website. Now once you go to Microsoft website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now. And once the download is complete, run this exe file. Then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now, when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install. After the installation, log into your computer, open Xbox app, and then install the game. Now, if you have Windows 11, then copy this link, open this link in a browser. Again, it will take you to Microsoft website. Here also, you will find media creation tool. Click on download now. Now, once the download is complete, run this exe file. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file. Click on next. Set the location to desktop. Now click on save. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Here you can see setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11. Here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. This process will take some time. Again, before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now, when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, open Xbox app and install the game. You should not receive this error code anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.